Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hank J Wimbleton from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing his goggles. Draw two ovals in the center of the page. Then inside towards the bottom, draw another oval inside each one. Now in between, draw two curves. And then one more just above the top line. Let's draw the straps of the goggles on either side now. Draw a curve up on each side. And then another curve to close off the shape. Now connect the two sides with a large curve across the top. Next, add one more curve above each goggle strap. Now draw two large diagonal curves across the forehead like this. Let's add some lines for the bandage wrap on his head now. Draw two diagonal lines above his left eye. And then a vertical line here. Now one diagonal line next to the right eye. Let's draw the top of the head now. Draw an angled line out on the left side. And then curve it up. Do the same thing on the right. Now add a curve in between these lines now. And one more above it. Now close off the shape of the head with a large curve. Now from the bottom of each goggle strap, draw a curve down to the eyes. And then a curve across the middle here. Lastly, for the face, add a vertical line down the center behind the goggle nose bridge. Let's add the pieces of fabric of his bandana now. On the right side, draw two lines coming out the side like this. Then connect the lines with a large backwards C shape. Next, add a curve inside. And then curve it up and back inwards. Now let's hop to the top left of the head. Draw a wavy line out from the left side here. Then an angle up. Now a large S curve up towards the top of the head. Now bring it back down with a wavy line. Next, inside, follow the same curve as the top, and then curve it back into the side of the head like this. Lastly, for this piece, add one more curve above the last line here. Next, let's add one more piece of fabric under this one. Draw two wavy lines down. And then connect them at the bottom with an S curve. Lastly, add one more curve inside starting at the top corner. Next, before we finish off the bottom of the face, let's draw the hand holding the microphone. Start with a curved line on an angle under the middle of the face. Then continue the right side downwards. Now for the left, angle it down and out and then curve it back in. Now draw the 3 fingers across the bottom like this. And then add a small line at the bottom of each finger. Lastly, let's add some detailed lines on the hands. Draw 2 small black triangles above the spaces between the fingers here. And then lines on the top of the hand like this. Let's draw the microphone next. Draw a large circle coming out from the left side. And add the detailed lines inside. Then draw the end of the microphone on the right side with a rectangle shape. Now let's draw the bottom of the face. Draw a bent line down on either side like this. And then one more under it, coming into the microphone and the hand. Next, on the right side, draw one more fold line inside here. Now draw a diagonal line between the face and the right piece of fabric. Let's draw the other hand holding the knife now. Under the hand on the left, draw a curved W shape. Then another larger W under to the right. And a curve at the top to close it off. Now add a bent line above it here. And one last U shape on the left for the last finger. Next, let's draw 2 diagonal lines out on the right. And then connect them with a line across. Let's draw the knife coming out to the right now. Draw a straight line across here. And then curve it back in at the end. Now another shorter line across the bottom, but leave a gap. Now fill in the gap with a zigzag line like this. And add one more curve across the blade. Now let's draw the right side of the body. From under the right side of the head, draw a curved line down. And then one more down to the knife. Let's draw the bottom of the coat now. Draw a bent line down under the microphone on the left. And then draw a curve across. And a small line down at the end. Now add a curve here on top. Hop to the right side now and draw the right side like this. Now for the left side, draw a curve up, across, and then angling it back down toward the center. Do the same thing on the right side. Now connect the two sides at the bottom. Lastly, add a curved sideways V shape for the folds of the fabric. Let's draw the shoes next, starting with the left one. Draw upside down V shape, then a curve on the right, and now a large curve connecting the outside line to the V. Let's add the sole of the shoe now. Draw a bent line out on the left side. And add another upside down V under the first one. And then close off the sole following the same curves as above. Now add one more curved line inside here. And lastly, add a small black shadow under the small V. Now do the same thing for the right shoe. And that's it for Hank. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.